I'm going to give you guys a quick tip on how to free a stuck injector from your diesel engine without any special tools. Okay, first you need to get a nut that matches the threads on the top of your injector. You can either do this with a thread pitch gauge and your tap and die set. You can figure it out that way. Or you could take one of the injectors you did get out and bring it to the hardware store. But either way, you get that nut, thread it on the top of the injector, and then you take a pair of vice grips. You bite that nut, not the threads. You take your pry bar and you put it up under the vice grips, and as you push up on the bar, you wiggle the vice grips, and you should be able to get it to come up. It's moving. We just slipped off. We're going to get another bite. Oh, there we go. Now this, you can see why this was stuck. Probably going to drop some gunk in the cylinder. That's why this one wasn't coming out. Well, if you enjoyed this tip, then please comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.